start?
Yes, sir. 1 second. You'll have to see what they
Yeah. Can I start? We are very happy to have the winter market here. It's already a tradition in Karachi. I would say a tradition that we have started some decades ago, always towards the end of the year, beginning of the new year. Winter markets, as you probably know, are a tradition in Germany and Europe, and markets where you offer food, where you offer some artisans products, some clothes. So everything who has ever been in Europe who has seen that we have here today. This market today is open till 9 in the evening. We expect, like last year, a couple of thousands of visitors, and it's really open to everyone. So please come, and we are looking forward to have you all here. We later will also have some music on the stage. So and the temperatures are, I think, still that you can get some winter feeling here tonight. Thank you very much.
Market in Karachi, and I'm really happy that I am also a part of the organizing team. My team in the consulate, who is really fantastic, had this great idea, is so motivated, and together with the GPCCI we managed to really install all these wonderful stalls and to get all the vendors so colorful that and this is really German Pakistani craftsmanship, and it shows how well we work together. So I love this tribal art, and I love all the other homemade local products, and I'm thrilled also to try some more things.
You're right, we have seen that the craft is there, tribal dress and all. What would you like to say? Yeah.
This is something very Pakistani, and it's an art to do this, and so I learn from the vendors how it's done, and what is the story behind it, and what I also really like is the homemade products that are really made with a lot of dedication and pure products that people grow here around Karachi. And I have tried already, and I'm eager to try more, and this is what I do, and I'm happy we could make this. And I'm happy you're all here, and please also try everything. Yeah.
How many Pakistani and German companies set up there?
74. We have 74 exhibitors.
How many German companies?
How many German companies? This is there are about this is a mix of I think 10, 12 German companies, and the rest are Pakistani companies, but very close to our to Germany, with a lot of German clients. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.